Hey guys, welcome to our channel. 3 divided by 1 over 6 times 18. Now, we can easily cancel this 6. 6 divided by 6 equals 1, and 18 divided by 6 gives us 3. Now we have just 3. At the end, 3 divided by 3 gives us 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations, we know that multiplication and division have equal priority. So we have to work from left to right. Now we have to start with this division, not this multiplication. If we do this multiplication first, it is wrong. 3 divided by 1 over 6. According to the KCF rule, that is, keep first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the next fraction. Now, according to the KCF, keep first fraction 3 over 1, change division to multiplication, and flip the next fraction. 1 over 6, 6 over 1. Now we have one fraction. 3 times 6 equals 18, and 1 times 1 gives us 1. At the end, we had times 18, that is here. So our final answer to this expression is equals to 324. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this video.